What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Metal Our Heads React. I trust that you guys are having a wonderful day today. Yo, guys, if it's your first time on the channel, I welcome you. And if you are returning, welcome back. So today we are going to do things a little differently on the channel. Guys, we're going to be looking at Michael Winslow. And, you know, I don't know if you guys remember Michael Winslow. He's a guy who makes all the different sounds on. He was in that movie, Police Academy. And guys, I am so excited to see that he is still doing his thing. So today we're gonna be looking at the man of 1,000 sounds effects on Gotham Comedy Live. Alright, so I'm excited to see how this one goes. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right in.
How you feeling, New York?
Woo-hoo!
How you feeling, New Jersey?
Woo!
I'm just kidding. Y'all ready to have a good time tonight? Well, let the comedians, let them hear you in the back. Go on, you make some noise. Y'all ready for it?
Man, he's still
As
doing
you know,
his thing.
I make noises. Everybody makes noises. We all do this. You just don't want to share. That's the problem. We all make noises. We make sounds to describe something to someone. We make sounds to describe someone to someone else. And we make noises to explain to the state trooper what happened. And he has his own noise. Well, it's better than that. I learned some things coming to New York. Did you know that it is a crime to do the sound of the flight attendant call button on aircraft? It is now my fault. I do not like to fly. I make the noise, but I do not like.
Wow! Wow!
That's first class. Hang on. I'm in the back by the engine.
You are yapping, you shit yourself.
I did that noise on the plane, man. I swear. The flight attendant got so mad. Well, she started it. She hit my kneecap with the cart. You know what I mean? You know what's going on?
No, man. The cats don't make that sound, man. Well, I've never heard a cat make this sound. Wow. It's great to know that Michael Winslow is still going on, man. He's still doing his stuff. Wow, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Can I go breeze back? And let's go to the watch.
Southwest.
Excuse me, is that your foot? Are you bleeding on my floor? Are you bleeding? You are bleeding. I am so sorry. Can I get something complimentary? Hang on, I'll get free straight away. He's looking at my butt. He's looking at my butt. Sir, here's a complimentary bag of nut.
Exactly. She did that to me, and I said, okay, here's what you do. Wait. Sit in your chair and chill. Let her get about 7 rows away. Don't say nothing. Just wait till she...
Oh, baby.
She's 7 rows away, man. Do this noise.
Wow, that was perfect. That was perfect, man. Wow, he's a genius. He's a genius.
She will freak the hell out because she cannot find the light. It's good for 30 minutes if you play it right, yo. I swear, she's like... Piece of shit.
It's perfect timing.
Stop it! Oh my God, stop it! You're making me go Nicki Minaj face. Stop it! I will find you, and when I do, stupid tart.
But you did everybody.
Tonight, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make one noise. Would that be all right?
Yeah, I want to learn.
You will learn to make one noise. I'm gonna teach you one sound. You will use it somewhere.
Now, the reason Michael was the reason why I used to watch Police Academy, you know, and it's a great show, guys. It's very funny in this film, and guys, it's great to know that he's still at it. All right, I'll bring this back and let's continue.
You will learn to make one noise. I'm gonna teach you one sound. You will use it somewhere.
Oh yeah.
I'm just saying, if you get in trouble, my name is Chris Tucker. Look at me, man. I love that voice, Chris Tucker.
Where is he? Where is he?
What
Is he
a
there?
voice.
Is he there?
Chris Tucker, great voice, man.
Gemini, Coquette, Boston,
Chris Rock, too. Krispy Kreme donuts. Krispy Kreme, hell no. Cracker Kreme. This is why I'm not allowed in Home Depot.
Why? Why?
Because I can make the tools have the wrong noises.
Oh.
I'm serious, man. I can get you anything off the shelf and make them think it's broken. And it's still in the box. I can also make tools vibrate, too.
So we said, woo! Okay.
Hey, girl.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Guess what? I can do the sound of your toys. All of them.
Oh, no.
Yeah, you woohoo. Yeah, I know why you going woohoo, because you got that thing in your purse. The pocket rocket.
A pocket rocket.
Okay. Okay, you ready to learn your noise?
Yes,
Ready to learn your noise,
yes.
everybody?
Yeah.
We'll make this easy. Before we start, I gotta tell you, New York, I've had a great time in the restaurants. I had the best food in the world in New York.
Woo!
Today, I got kicked out of 3 restaurants, and I loved it. If you kick me out, I don't have to pay.
Yeah, you don't have to pay. Yeah.
So, here's what I did. Menu, please. I'll show you what I did. Little restaurant, just outside of Chinatown. Why are you laughing? Were you cooking? It was a little small place. It was really, really small, you know, so I walk in. The door hits me. Back wall. Door.
Oops.
This is the bigger place. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Hey, that's my jacket. Hello?
Hello, welcome to a restaurant.
So, I gave her the order. I ordered the chicken butt with the hot butt sauce.
So you what?
I want the chicken butt with a hot butt sauce. And I want the, on the side.
What the hell is that?
So,
Yeah, that was amazing beatboxing.
she goes in the restaurant, she goes in the back, and I do this.
Is that a chicken?
Come here.
Oh. It's frying now.
You can laugh, you're not having fresh butt. The cook comes out of the kitchen and goes,
You will fight my brother.
I got scared, man. I didn't get scared. I got Richard Pryor scared. You know what that means? Oh, shit. I do not want you to kick my ass. Oh. Y'all having a good time? You enjoying yourself so far?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Here's your sound. Here's the sound I want you to make. I want you to go to the store, get something off the shelf, go to the front counter. When the young lady turns to do something, do this. You learn this noise, you ain't pay for nothing next Christmas.
Was mine good?
Rite Aid ain't gonna figure this out. So,
I gotta practice some
if you
more.
get good at this, you can call out your own damn prices too.
I gotta practice some more.
Go to Walmart. Go to Walmart. Go to the self-checkout counter and go, free.
Ooh.
$500 refund flat screen TV from Samsung, free.
And that's my set tonight, yo. Thank y'all very much.
Wow, that was amazing. I enjoyed that. I had my first laugh this morning. Wow, Michael Winslow, man, he's still at it, guys. He's still doing his stuff, and he's amazing. This is the first time I ever got one of Michael Winslow's shows. I know him from from Police Academy. In that movie, guys, he's amazing. I don't know how many of you out there have seen that movie, but it is awesome. Alright, so I would definitely be checking out for some more Michael Winslow. Alright, guys, so this is where I come to the end of this reaction. Sit back, relax, and see what I got coming up next, because I've got some amazing content coming up for you, so stick around for that. And guys, if you enjoyed that reaction, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to see some more. So stick around for part 2. Alright, so have yourselves a wonderful day. Stay safe all day, guys, and don't forget, share the love, not the hate. Peace out. Till next time. I love you guys.